Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download a map to use it further in offline mode in Google Maps on OUKITEL RT8. First, open Google Maps. Then press on your profile icon and press on offline maps. Now you can select your map to download it. I'll press on select. Now I can zoom in or out and go to right or left to select an area. I will select this area and I can see how much of my free space will be used for the map to download. Let's press on download. And now we need to wait for the map to finish downloading. And now the app has been downloaded and I will be able to use it when I'm in offline mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.